Hi students, in this video I want to discuss about the V-belt drives. So when the distance between the shaft is less, then V-belts are preferred. These are endless and trapezoidal cross section. So it consists of a central layer of fabric and molded in a rubber or a rubber-like compound. This assembly is enclosed in elastic wearing cover, and the belt will have a contact at the two sides of the groove in the pulley. The wedging action between the belt and the groove will increase the coefficient of friction, making the drive as a positive one. So what are the advantages you are going to get from the flat belt? The compact and gives a high velocity ratio. It provides a shock absorption between the driver and the driven pulley. Positive and reliable drive. Because of the wedging action of the grooves, the loss of power due to slip is very less. So there is no joint between the belts, so the problem of the drive will be endless type. So initial cost is more, that is the disadvantages, cannot be used when the distance center is large. Improper belt tensioning and mismatching of the belt results in a reduction in the service of the line. So nowadays I can say that many of the automobiles are coming with the belt drives, so that the efficiency will be increasing and the maintenance also will be less. What are the design procedure for designing a V-belt? The first one is selection of a belt of a cross section. So equivalent pitch of the diameter smaller pulley, that is DE is equals to DP into FB. So FB is nothing but a small diameter factor, so that has to be selected. So DP is nothing but the smaller diameter pulley. Based on DE, you have to select the cross section of the belt. So if D is not given, then based on the power, select the cross belt from and diameter D1. The second step will be finding the velocity. So V is equals to pi D1 N1 divided by 60,000 meter per second. And the power capacity based on the cross section calculated, you have to calculate the power capacity N from the formulas. So based on that, so I have to find out the number of V-belts. So I is equals to N Fn, FA divided by N star Fc into Fd. N is the total power transmitted in kilowatts, that will be given the problem. N star will be power capacity, which is calculated in the step 3. FA will be service factor. So if the condition is not given, you have to assume the medium duty and 10 to 16 hours duty per day. So next will be pitch length L. So 2C plus pi by 2 D plus D plus capital D minus D square by 4C. If center distance is not given, you can assume C maximum as 2 into D plus D, C minimum as 0.5 D plus D plus T. So from table, for the second cross section, you can find top width W and thickness T. From the calculated C maximum and C minimum, select C and find L. Then from the table, select the nearest value of the pitch length L and the nominal inside length. So again from the table, from the nominal inside length, the selected cross section factor of the length FC will be selected. So theta will be given as 2 cos inverse of D minus D by 2C for a fab plate, or theta is equals to 180 minus 2 sin inverse of D minus D by 2C. So the correction factor of angle FD will be selected from the table. So once you have selected that, calculate the I value, number of belts, then go for the correct center distance. C is equals to L by 4 minus pi D plus D by 8 plus root of L by 4 minus pi D plus D by 8 whole square minus D square by 8. So capital D will be the larger diameter, small d will be the small diameter, L will be the standard pitch length. So by finding that, last step will be specifying the V-belt by the cross section letter followed by the inside length of the belt. So this is the procedure you want to follow for designing the V-belts. Let us see a problem on that. Select a V-belt drive to transmit 10 kW of power from a pulley of 200 mm dia mounted on an electric motor running at 720 rpm to another pulley mounted on a compressor running at 200 rpm. The service is heavy duty, varying from 10 hours to 14 hours per day, and center distance between centers of pulley is 600 mm. So what are the given data? N is given, D1 is given, so N1 is given, N2 is given, capital C center distance is given, and heavy duty 10 hours to 14 hours condition is given. So first you will find out the unknown diameter. So diameter of the larger pulley N1 D1 is equals to N2 D2. So 720 into 200. So I am going to get D2 as 720 mm. That will be the diameter of the larger pulley. Selecting the cross section. Since DE is equals to DP into FB, where DP is equals to D1, that is the small diameter of the smaller pulley diameter. So D1 is equals to 200 mm. So I want to find first the ratio. N1 and N2 is equals to 3.6. So from the table, when N1 by N2 is equals to 3.6, a smaller diameter factor FB is equals to 1.14. That is DE is equals to 228 mm. So the cross section of the belt selected to corresponding will be C type. So third step will be elastic. So V is equals to pi D1 N1 by 60,000. Pi 200 into 720 by 60,000. So you're going to get a 7.54 meter per second. Power capacity for a C cross section belt. So N star will be equals to this formula. So substitute the value of velocity, DE and V values. I want to get N star as 4.4 kilowatts. The next step will be finding the I value, that is number of beds. So N into FA divided by N star, FC into FD. For AV duty, so FA service factor will be 1.3. So length, I want to substitute the formula 2C pi by 2 D plus D plus capital D minus D square by 4C. I want to substitute. So I want to get L as 2757.8 mm. So the nearest standard value for the nominal pitch length for the selected cross section of belt will be 2723. So the nominal inside length will be 2667 mm. For the nominal inside length of 2667 mm and the cross section belt, the correction factor of the length will be 0.94, that is F theta. So coming on to angle of contact theta, so I want to get angle of theta is equals to 128.64. From the table, for theta 128.64, FD will be equals to 0.86 assuming the VV belt. So I is equal to, I want to get as number 4. So 4 number of belts will be there. The next step will be correct center distance. So I want to go for C, L by 4 minus pi D plus D by 8. So substituting all the values of D, L and small d, I want to get the correct center distance as 580.73 mm. And specifying that from the figures, I can specify V belt selected is C type 2667 as the nominal inside length, and width is 22 mm and thickness is 14 mm. So this is about the problems on V belt.